Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and are nearly ready for the weekend. So I'm going festive. Yes, as you can see, got some Christmas lights on my desk. Now I think you could probably see better if I do like that, because I've got two brighter lights shining on my desk. Now if you're familiar, well, if you like me, that you were young during the 80s, you definitely will remember these lights. And for forever, I was trying to search on different websites to see if companies make these sort of lights anymore, because it reminds me when I was little. It's a very sweet memory. I don't want to cry, but I love Christmas, and I don't see my family for Christmas for a very long time, simply because we live in different countries. As you guys know, I live in UK, my parents are in Italy, so I don't see them during Christmas because I work a lot during Christmas on my full-time job. So I don't get any days off during Christmas because I work in retail. So that's the beauty of being a retail manager. But anyway, so yeah, I was looking on different websites, and now a lot of companies this year have now selling these lights. I'm gonna put the lights on so you guys can see them. Okay, so I don't know how you call them, like flower sort of tip. So I guess, oh yeah, you can. So this is what is fabulous. This is plastic, it's not glass. The original ones during the 80s, they were made by glass. Of course, now everything is cheap and, you know, it's not been designed to last forever. But these are battery operated. So as soon as I see them, and I was like, yes, I've got two of those, simply because I don't know if I can get hold of them again. And it brings me a very happy memory. So I think we need to have things that makes us happy. And this makes me very happy. So yeah. Sorry for the intro that lasted 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Now I can crack on with my video. Right, so today it's not a tutorial. It's not a how-to, it's nothing. It's nothing like that. But I'm very delighted, very happy to share my new parcel from Taperlogy. As you guys know, I am a brand ambassador for Taperlogy, so I work with this company on a monthly basis, and I've got my Christmas goodies. Now, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna get the lights out of the way. You probably won't see them, but I'll keep them on my desk so I can see them. And I want to show you what I've got. So the first thing I'm really interested to see are these rub-on stickers, and I'm gonna do a different videos using those. Why can I not open them? Okay. So I tend to get rid of this plastic and then I put them all into one big bag. So, oh look. Oh my God, it's so cute. I love Christmas ephemera and they are so cute. They're quite vintagey looking. Look at that. So cute. So that's a set of two. I think they were part of the, yes, it's a gift for you. So I'm sure you get them as a gift, I guess, if you order from Taperlogy. Then we got a bag with some tags, but they look, it's like, is that felt? I can't describe the material. Oh no, it's paper, but I think it's recycled. Yeah, it's definitely recycled paper. Now, I don't really know what you're going to see on camera, but they've got some stitching. Oh yeah, you can see the stitching now. Nice. Oh, the different colors. Oh, hold on. So we've got different colors. So we've got cream, more be like brownish color, and more white. I hope you can see. I don't know what you can see on camera, guys. I've got two very bright light shining on my desk, so I'm not entirely sure if you can catch the difference between this one and this one. They're kind of like, it goes like this, like light to medium to dark, and you get 1, 2, 3, Bought 5 each. So that's that. And then I love, when I saw them and I was like, oh my god, they look like cookies. I generally thought they were cookies, but they look like cookies, and that's genius. I love the way that Florence and the team package the goodies. So little stickers say ho ho ho, to and from, and I think that's brilliant to pack some crafty goodies for, you know, if you do happy mail for Christmas and things like that. I think that's genius. They do look like cookies. So they are wooden die cuts. So we got some hearts. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. Let's see what we got. We got some hearts, some snowflakes. Oh, some angels, stockings. Oh wow, got loads. Bell, Christmas tree, reindeers, bubbles, stars, and present. Oh, you can see that's, but it's fine because I can use on this side. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You get all these different shapes. Looking forward to play with these. They will make beautiful Christmas ornaments. And the shapes is done for you, so you just need to decorate it. You can use gesso, you can use napkins, you can use, you know, what I was thinking I'll do, I sponge the edges and I'm gonna use some of these stickers. So that's that. And then I'm saving the best for last. We've got some Christmas ribbon stickers. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, so cute. So we've got a selection, quite vintagey looking, and I love that because I love vintage. I love Victorian Christmas. If I have to pick a theme, I don't dislike contemporary aesthetics, but for me, Christmas, it's Victorian Christmas. Oh wow, so we got different, okay. So we got different themes here going on. So we got more like a wintry woodland with the animals. Okay, I love these. Then we got some blue ones. They match my Christmas papers. Okay. Oh, love that. I love this. That is really nice because that is really well thought, because you can use that's very clever because you can use your imaginary there, and then you can fussy cut. Let's do one together. Yeah, I think that is very, very clever. What should we do? Let's do a present first. Sorry, I can't resist. So I think I'm gonna get something like, I'm gonna get the present. Sorry, I'm gonna do another video. I just can't resist. Sorry, I really can't resist. So that's that. Oopsie. And then I'm going to use this one here. Happy holiday. That is so clever, actually, giving the sentiment as well, because people can put it all together. That is really, really clever. So I thought we'd put them together, yeah. Oh god, I'm so clumsy. Sorry guys. Sorry, I hope you will see my head. I just dropped the present on the floor. So what you do, you simply get your sticker where you want to position it. In fact, let's put the nutcracker first, because I think the present will slightly cover it. So you position it there, and then with the lollipop stick, which you get with a set. Sorry if I shake, and the camera will shake, but I will be quick. and then you peel it off, and it's brilliant because these stickers attach to everything, any surfaces. So that's that. These are fabulous craft fair ideas. So if you do these, maybe like in a pack of 3, you pack them really nicely, like even using the packaging I showed you that looks like little cookies. You can sell them in craft fairs, and yeah, you do packs like that. I mean, this is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And you saw me, it takes no time. Now, well, what did I do with the sentiment? Okay, the sentiment has left the premises. Oh, I'm so clumsy. Right, sorry guys, let me cut another one. I'm going to use Happy Holiday. I'm not going to lose it this time. And what I want to do as well, I'm going to do another video when I'm going to use these stickers on bubbles, because I can show you how to decorate plain bubbles. And that's one. I mean, how long did it take me? 2 minutes, if that. Super, super cute. Super cute. So let me open the other ones, so I'll show you the different design. And then I'm going to go. I'm going to go. So let's see what's in here. So you get the lollipop stick again. This is your very, very, very traditional Victorian Christmas. I mean, look at that. I love these. I love Father's Christmas and the Slate. I know in America or USA, you guys call it Santa. We call it in UK, we call it Father Christmas. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, this is your traditional Christmas. Yeah. Oh, look at that. I'm going to cry. Pink. Wow. Okay. Pink. These match my Christmas digital papers in pink. Okay, this is really clever. So you've got different colors. Okay. Okay. Look at that. You got the train as well. This is more like gold. And then you've got the nativity set in there, which I think is really sweet. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. And then you've got silver and white. This is really, really well designed. Come on, guys. Well done. Well done to Taperlogy. They look absolutely brilliant. I'm so excited. I got loads to play with. So, guys, I'm going to go. I will put the link of these products in the info box. And don't forget, with me, you get 15% off your orders. Okay, so this is part of the deals that I have with Taperlogy. So all my viewers gets 15% off. So use my code. Everything is listed down below. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed my lights. I can't tell you how happy I am. I finally found them. Now, I would appreciate it if they were the one you plug into the wall. I can't find them, but this is just a step ahead. So, but I use the battery. I keep this on my desk throughout November and December. So this will keep me company. You know, just give me some happy memories from my childhood. Yeah, just reminds me of home. And I'm going to go before I start crying. Guys, if you like this video, big thumbs up. And I will see you on Friday for a very special Friday freebie. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until Friday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.